When I started my automotive career about 30 years ago, Kias were not held in very high regard. In my opinion, they were pretty much at the bottom of the automotive barrel. I worked at a Ford dealership in the late 90s and they couldn't get rid of their Kia franchise fast enough. Then I worked for one of the biggest privately owned dealer groups in the country, Herb Chambers, in the early 2000s, and they had 2 Kia franchises and they got rid of them. Well, today in 2025, I think they would regret it because Kia has come a long way. They're highly regarded by the automotive press. Having a Kia franchise, owning a Kia dealership is actually, for a lot of people, a money printing machine. Hi, this is Joe from Scarff Ford. Today we're going to talk about this 2024 Kia Seltos S. Let's dive in. The Seltos is a compact crossover brought to you by Kia. Kia has some other compact crossovers like the Kia Soul. It's a little bit bigger, not quite as the polarizing boxy styling as the Soul. And its sister company has the Hyundai and Kia are in the same family. They have the Kona. This is actually a little bit bigger than the Kona. Nice styling, upscale interior, affordable price point. This is a really nice 2024 example of very low miles. This is the S front-wheel drive version, not the most basic, not the most loaded, kind of right there in the middle. There's a couple different engines available. You can get a larger turbocharged engine pumping out 200 horsepower. This engine I think pumps out right around 140, 150 horsepower. Not very big. I took this thing for a spin and it's plenty quick and it's very fuel efficient, up to 35 miles per gallon on the highway. The front wheel drive is going to get a little bit better gas mileage than the all-wheel drive version. Really nice front end styling. We have Kia's trademark tiger mouth grille. Fantastic chief designer for Kia has really revamped their product line, making some of the most stylish vehicles in the industry, giving you lots of features, lots of technology at a fantastic price point. For 2024, the Seltos had a refresh, a restyling, looking better than ever. Little accents here and there, the contrasting colors on the rear bumper. We have like this black, this black lacquer finish here. All these contrasting colors and patterns. This is something that you always don't see in a vehicle at this price point. Kia really goes the extra mile just to make this thing look good. Just like the design of the roof rack, little touches like that make it stand out. And they are trying very hard to outmaneuver some of the competition. Obviously, has some strong competition from the Japanese manufacturers like Honda, Toyota, and Nissan. Kia definitely holds its own. A subcompact is even smaller than a compact, so this is one of the smallest crossovers you can buy in North America as far as classification goes. So obviously, you can't perform magic and have, cathedral-like interior space, but for the size of the vehicle, the way it's packaged, it's actually relatively spacious and practical. Decent amount of space back here. You can fold down the rear seats for more cargo space. Little extra storage in the spare tire well. And surprisingly spacious in the back seat. I'm 6'2". I had that front seat adjusted for my height. You can see it's pretty far back versus that seat right there. And I got plenty of leg room, plenty of headroom, remarkable. This is 4 full-size adults can sit in complete comfort, 5 in a pinch. And this would make a great Uber or Lyft vehicle, especially getting 35 miles per gallon. And like the interior, this is more this is not the most basic. This is like one step up from the most basic version. I think the LX version is the most basic. The S is one step up. But looking at the interior, like in the back seats, we have like this synthetic leather and stitching, more black lacquer piano finish. Nice fake aluminum trim on the door handle, contrast stitching and contrasting patterns in the seats. This is more on the affordable end as far as vehicles go, but Kia doesn't want you to feel like that when you drive it. And the fit and finish, just the way the doors close, the way everything works, they did a really good job. Nice patterns and black finish on the dashboard and doors. Great job on the interior. Automatic climate control. Nice leather up steering wheel. For 2024, they have this new available gauge cluster. It looks like one big screen, but it's actually 2 screens. We have analog style gauges that are completely digital. This one features navigation, rear parking camera. We have steering assist, blind spot warning. One awesome compact crossover. We have a drive mode selector here, which will change the behavior of the vehicle. We have normal, sport. We can see that it changes to the style of the gauges, and it looks like it's flickering, but that's just a GoPro camera. Sometimes with these frame rates and the GoPros, it can look like screens are flickering when you video them. Believe me, it's perfectly fine. And then we have a smart mode. So normal, sport, then smart. But then you can hit this button right here and you can kind of pick and choose what information you want showing up on the center display. All cool stuff. Thanks for joining me in this walk around video of this 2024 Kia Seltos. One fantastic compact crossover. This example of a little under 6,000 miles is in near new condition. I think it should make a great vehicle for someone. If you want to see this, if this one's still available, watch this video. You could be watching 5 years in the future. It might already be sold. But on our YouTube, on the video description, we'll have a link to our available Kia inventory, and you can check and see if this one's still available, and maybe you can come and check it out. We're Scarff Ford. We've been in business 103 years, proudly serving the greater Seattle Tacoma area located in Auburn, Washington. We sell new Fords, new Isuzus, and a very wide variety of pre-owned vehicles. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.